Ever wondered why we yawn? Here's a minute of wisdom. Yawning, a common human phenomenon, is often linked to tiredness or boredom, but it's more than just that. Scientists believe yawning helps cool the brain, improving alertness and cognitive performance. Now onto the million-dollar question, is yawning contagious? The answer is yes. It's a social behavior, a form of empathy seen not just in humans but also in animals like chimpanzees. It's like a domino effect. One yawn triggers another and another. Interestingly, autistic individuals, known for struggles with empathy, are less likely to catch yawns. There you have it, a whirlwind tour of yawning. Stay curious till next time.